So who said this wasn't going to work? It almost works perfect. I got a little rubbing issue somewhere, but I just noticed that right now. I just drove around town, grabbed a beer, came back, didn't have any issue till right now. So it's got to be very small. I mean, I can look at it and tell what's going to rub, especially when I'm off-road, but for right now, this is good enough to get me down to the alignment shop. And the wheel, tire and wheels, get the wheels balanced and the new sensors put in, the pressure sensors. And it's warm enough to kick the shoes off finally. It's like 80 degrees in the sunshine. Perfect day. Everything's coming up roses, you know what I mean? Now for a quick wash and then back in the yard to go. Alright guys, it's been a long week. I got the Colorado ready to roll, but it needs to roll to the alignment shop. And they're not open Mondays, and I gotta work Mondays, so it's like I didn't work it out. You know, my original plan was to go there Saturday morning, but you know, that didn't happen. I didn't get, nothing came together the way it's supposed to. So I think I could take the Bronco for a couple days. I just did a quick wheel alignment. I just had to set the toe. Good old tape measure. Roll it back and forth a couple times. Check again. I think it'll get me to work. It did take $80 to fill the tank. Anyway, it's starting to cool off out here, and we'll see you later. If you see me along the highway tomorrow morning at 5 a.m., stop and say hello, because I'll probably be broke down.